going to apply the Liquify filter, make sure to have the green skin texture selected, and make sure that it's right above Franken PSD. The first thing we're going to do is convert the green skin texture to a smart object. So right click, convert to smart object, and you have an S in the thumbnail lower right corner. Then we're going to choose filter, filter, Liquify, and we're going to work in, we're not going to work in view options. Actually, we are. So earlier, apparently, they said that we use face aware Liquify, which I don't remember, but I guess we did. And we're going to use show backdrop behind, and we want to zoom in to our subject, but not so much. That's way too much. So spacebar option to zoom out. Oop, I don't want to move. I don't want to move it. Then we choose forward wrap tool or quick key W, and our settings are the following. We're going to show background at the opacity of 75. Our brush tool options, the size is 150 and the pressure is 75. And we're going to work on getting the eyes to match up with our figure. So go ahead and play with getting the eyebrows and the eyes to match up. And just keep working at it. You might want to zoom in, so here, but not so much, now you can't see anything. And you want to work on getting the eyes to look like they're part of the mask. When you're happy with that, press OK. And whoa, that looks really good. I'm going to bring up my history panel so we can see it before and after. So there's before, and then here's after liquefying. Make sure to save your file.